right, everybody. So we've learned a lot of different things. What we're going to do today, our goal is we will determine missing exterior angles. So the great thing about that is that there is actually a pretty straightforward goal for us to be able to determine the exterior angles of a polygon. And we're going to be kind of moving back and forth. I'll try and pause this so you have time to get your notes together. But one of the reasons that this is going to work is, let's get on the key part of this to start with. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, so many-sided figure, the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon equals 360 degrees. So the good news is it doesn't matter what kind of polygon it is. It can be a triangle, it can be any kind of quadrilateral, it could be a pentagon, heptagon, hexagon, doesn't matter. They're all going to equal 360 degrees for the exterior. And one of the things you might be thinking is, well, why? So, a little graphic for you. Strange but true, so when you think about it, this is our polygon right here. If you take all of the exterior angles of the polygon and you cut all of these exterior angles and you rearrange them inside like puzzle pieces, they're going to rearrange always into 360 degrees. So no matter what the polygon is, when you do this, it's going to total up to 360 degrees. Give you a second to get that written down. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to test this out. You might want to go ahead and just freehand draw this in your notebook. Give you just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to test this out real quick. So I know that my exterior angles are 2x, x, 85, and 95. So I'm just going to write a quick equation. 2x plus x plus 95 plus 85 equals 360. We'll go ahead and do a little simplifying. 2x plus x is going to give us 3x plus 95 and 85 is 180 equals 360. So now I'm just going to solve it like a normal equation. Put my bars. The inverse is to subtract 180. So 3x equals 180. Now we're going to divide by 3, divide by 3. So x equals 60. And to make sure, we're going to go ahead and we're going to substitute. So if x equals 60, then I know that this angle right here is 60 degrees. And if it's 2x, this angle is 120 degrees. If you wanted to prove it, you could add all four of these up, and you would get 360 degrees. Alright, what I would like us to do now is let's test that. And this time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do it on a triangle. So here's what I want you to do first. Set up the equation. And then I want you to go ahead and solve for w, and from there we'll find the missing angle measures. So I'm going to give you a head start. Well, let's go ahead and set it up then. So it's a triangle, so I have three exterior angles. So I have w plus w minus 13 plus w plus 10 equals 360 degrees. If I simplify, combine my like terms, I get 3w minus 3 equals 360. Solve it. Inverse operation. 3w equals 363. Divide each of them by 3. So w equals 121. Now I'm going to substitute. So since w equals 121, I know that this now is 121 degrees. I know that this one is going to be 131 degrees. And my last one, I know is going to be 108 degrees. And if I add all three of these up, I'll end up with 360 degrees. So remember, your core concept for today is the exterior angles of a polygon are always going to add up to 360 degrees. All right, good luck.